how to adjust color temperature of your photos on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, open up the picture gallery. Then scroll down the list and open up a picture that you would like to edit. Next, tap on the edit button at the bottom. Then at the bottom here, tap on the tone button. Next, we swipe across at the top and select temperature. Next, dragging on the slider bar at the bottom here to the right or to the left to increase the temperature, making the picture feel warmer, or drag it to the right to make the picture feel cooler. Now the temperature feature controls the color temperature of your image. This refers to the overall warmth or coolness of the colors in the photo. So here's a breakdown of how it works. So you got the color temperature scale. Imagine a scale ranging from blue, cool, to yellow, orange, warm. The temperature adjustment essentially moves your image along this scale. So you can warm up the picture. So sliding the temperature bar towards the right adds yellow-orange tones to your image, making it appear warmer. This can be useful for correcting photos taken in cold lighting conditions or adding a more inviting feel. The cooling down of the image, moving the temperature bar towards the left adds blue tones to your image, making it appear cooler. This might be desirable for balancing overly warm photos or creating a more refreshing or a more calming mood. So some example of how you would use your color temperature is correcting unnatural lighting. So photos taken on a cloudy day can appear bluish due to the cooler color temperature of the light. So adjusting the temperature towards warm can counteract this and create a more natural look. And to enhance photos when you are taking sunsets, sunsets often have a natural warmth due to the reddish or the orange hues. So increasing the temperature can further emphasize these warm tones and create a more dramatic effect to your photo. So here, if I drag the temperature bar to the left, you can see here, it increases the temperature, making the photos feel like you are on a very hot day. In fact, it is not. The temperature is fairly cool. And that's it. When you make the adjustment, just tap on the save button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.